In this video, I want to talk about how you can see best-selling products on Shopify. Now, if you want to check the products that are the best-selling on your store, there's an easy way to do this. So you want to head over to your admin dashboard, and inside of here, you want to go to Analytics. Inside of here, click on Reports. And once you're in Reports, just let it load for a little bit. Then you want to look for total sales. So total sales by product, or you can just search for sales by product and just let it load, and it will come up with some different ones that you can choose from. So if you just choose total sales by product, this is gonna show you which product has the most sales. So since I don't have anything on my store, I can't see the data, but you should be able to see it from yours. So this is the easiest way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.